The children, today I am going to explain a question from pair or linear equation 2 variable. So exercise 3.2 fifth question I am going to do. That question I am reading. Of the perimeter of the garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. So length, width, that relation they given. Length is 4 meter more than its width. Is 36 means half the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36 is they given. Find the dimension of the garden. That means length and width we want to find. So this is linear equation 2 variable. So we can check it as width b is equal to x, length L is equal to y. They given first condition they given length is 4 meter more than its width. That is more than means plus is equal to width means x. L is equal to 4 plus x. Okay, and breadth is equal to x. So here the 4 plus x, L place what we can substitute y. So y is equal to 4 plus x. This is a linear equation 2 variable. So we can write this is a standard form. Standard form of linear equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This y have taken the right side. So we will get x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. This we can put at first equation. Now next they given half the perimeter. Half the perimeter of the rectangle garden is 36 meter they given. P I have taken as perimeter. So we can use the formula. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B is equal to 36. Okay. So 2 cancel. Length we are taken as y and width we are taken as x is equal to 36. Again we got the linear equation 2 variable. This we can write in standard form x plus y minus 36 is equal to 0. You check whether this linear equation has consistent, whether it has solution or not. So this first equation, from the first equation a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus, a1 is coefficient of x is 1, b1 is coefficient of y is minus 1 and c1 is constant term it is 4. In the second equation, that is a1 is a coefficient of x is 1, second equation, so a2 is 1, b2 is coefficient of y in the second equation, so y coefficient is 1 and c2 is constant term in the second equation minus 36. We can find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is 1. b1 by b2 is minus 1 by 1 is minus 1. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 we got. Then you recall what you have studied about this condition. That is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 means it has unique solution. So we can find the solution. That we are going to find the solution. We got the second equation as y plus x is equal to 36. We can substitute this first equation, that is substitute y is equal to 4 plus x in this equation, substitute in this equation. Okay. So here in place of y we can substitute 4 plus x is equal to 36. So 4 plus 2x is equal to 36. 2x is equal to 36. This 4 taken right side. 36 minus 4 is 32. So x is equal to 32 equal to 16. So x what we have taken? X is equal to breadth. So breadth what we got? Breadth is equal to 16 meter. Next we can find length. Length y. So length y is equal to what is the relation? 4 plus x. So 4 plus 16 is equal to 20 meter. So they asked to find the dimension of the rectangular garden. Dimensions are length and breadth. Length is 20 meter, breadth is 60 meter. Why we are checking this condition means we want to check whether it has solution or not. Afterwards we can find the solution. Okay. So we substitute equation y is equal to 4 plus x in the second equation. This is second equation. In second equation we substituted y plus 4 plus x and we found x and y. And length. So dimension, write the answer in sentence. The dimension of the rectangular garden is 20 meter and 16 meter. Thank you.